bad accident in Jamaica, brother. Yeah, I mean, these things are going on here, brother.
So how is that truck turn about Bill?
Chuck, flip over back.
Police, brother, yes, I got a police car. Jolly, how I go on that, man?
It's okay. I see a vehicle and I end up calling.
I see a vehicle. Yeah, because I try to understand how it took turn over up the hill and then load. So you can't go fast up the hill.
And take a pass up?
Yeah, you can't go fast up the hill for turn over. So I wonder what go on. You can't just go up the hill and turn over. You're mad with load.